Imagine having a team of AI experts working for your business or agency 24/7. Now, I'm not referring to purely the generative AI tools available that many of us are using daily. I'm delving deeper. Actual AI employees performing higher level, complex tasks that humans at big companies are paid the big bucks to do, but at 1,000 times the speed, accuracy, and at a fraction of the cost. This technology is reminiscent of data from Star Trek. Remember how he analyzed complex situations and instantly gave Captain Picard suggestions? Well, Star Trek is already here, and it's improving faster than warp speed. To get a taste of its potential, see what Mark Zuckerberg has to say about AI agents.
One of the things I think is really important is basically making it so with a relatively small amount of work, a business can basically, a few taps, stand up an AI agent for themselves that can do customer support, sales, communicate with all their people, all their customers. I kind of think that every business in the future, just like they have an email address and a website and a social media presence today, I think every business is going to have an AI agent that their customers can talk to in the future. And we want to enable that for all of those. So it's going to be hundreds of millions, maybe billions of kind of small business agents.
I mean, AI employees managing your sales and operations? This is insane. These agents are the exact secret weapons that local businesses and agencies need to gain a killer edge over the competition. But how do they work? And where can you access some of this revolutionary tech? Stay tuned, because I'm going to break down exactly what AI agents are and help you understand their applications, and I'll give you a demo of a couple of the employees that you can hire for your business or agency today. Now, first, let's start at the ground level. What are AI agents? Now, here's how Amazon defines this technology. An artificial intelligence or AI agent is a software program that can interact with its environment, collect data, and use the data to perform self-determined tasks to meet predetermined goals. Humans set goals, but an AI agent independently chooses the best actions it needs to perform to achieve those goals. Now, this is a big deal because it goes way beyond simple automations. Instead of just following prompts and orders and workflows, AI agents can actually think on their feet, adapt to changes, and even teach themselves new tricks. An AI agent works by perceiving its environment, processing information, and taking action to achieve specific goals or tasks. The process usually involves the following steps. Perceiving the environment. The AI agent gathers information about its surroundings using sources including the web, social media, and of course, a local business's or agency's internal data. Processing inputs. The collected data is organized and prepared for processing, creating a knowledge base or internal representations that the AI agent can understand. Decision making. The AI employee uses reasoning techniques such as logic or statistical analysis to make informed decisions based on its knowledge base and goals. And there's planning and execution. The agent develops a plan or strategy to achieve its goals, optimizes resources, and executes the steps. It can also adjust its actions based on feedback and new information from the environment. And now that's a great segue into understanding the broad arc of capabilities and use cases that these AI employees can bring to your business or an agency. A primary function is to suggest new products and services based on real-time trends, analytics, and information, continuously monitoring the vast treasure trove of information and activity on the web to make real-time recommendations to businesses about their strategy. So let's think of a use case. Imagine a clothing store franchise. Now, typically these companies have teams of people that monitor Instagram, TikTok, competitor websites, all them hashtags, every day to stay on top of viral trends. Now, an AI employee can probably do that better. It can monitor and analyze social media trends and competitor activities really, really well, but then cross-reference that with your sales data to suggest new products that are likely to be in high demand, helping you stay ahead of trends without all that manual monitoring. Then there's responding to market activity and competitor pricing. AI agents can take actions based on their perceptions to influence the local electronics store. Competitor pricing and market demand fluctuate frequently for parts, right? An AI employee can monitor competitor prices and market conditions in real time and automatically adjust the website pricing to stay competitive. AI agents excel in problem solving. AI employee can analyze your supply chain data, identify potential bottlenecks, and recommend optimizations to streamline that entire process. Now, for instance, it might suggest alternative suppliers or more efficient shipping routes, helping you reduce delays and lower costs even without the extensive resources that a large corporation may have. Essentially, many of the factors that we look for when we hire human employees, like autonomy, perception, their reaction time, reasoning, decision-making, learning and communication skills, and setting goals, these are the very same traits that also distinguish between what AI employees are versus tools like ChatGPT. So now that I've explained the different use cases, I want to list out the kinds of AI agents or employees today. After I list these out, I'm going to walk you through a couple of the tools that you can immediately implement. Now, if you're a local business, here are the main types of AI agents that make sense for small and medium businesses to use. And if you're an agency, you need to get on these tools and look at how you can help integrate them within the AI tech stack for your clientele. Now, there are 3 that are particularly relevant to you if you're a local business or agency. The first are goals-based agents. Now, as the name suggests, these AI employees are designed to achieve specific goals based on individual contexts and frameworks. While that sounds simple, make no mistake, these are highly advanced agents. They leverage tons of data, machine learning, natural language processing, etc. for use cases including customer and prospect communications and conversations. The second are utility agents. These AI employees can form the backbone of key business activities and operations, like analysts and managers at bigger companies. For example, these agents can analyze competitor prices and adjust pricing to maximize revenue. Or they can optimize staff schedules based on labor costs, customer demand, and employee preferences. The third and the most powerful is the autonomous AI employee. Now, I'll go through a demo in a moment, but this agent has a high degree of autonomy and can independently break down tasks, set sub-goals, and learn from their experiences to achieve their primary objective. They are like having the perfect business process consultant who can work out everything you need to do in order to execute an activity. These are the most basic. They react to their environment without thinking about the past or future. Think of a thermostat turning on or off based on the current temperature. You've got model-based reflex agents. These agents have a bit more smarts. They can remember things about the past to help them decide what to do now. So imagine a robot that remembers it was cold yesterday, so it might turn on the heat a bit earlier today. Then you've got learning agents. These are more advanced. They can learn from their mistakes and get better over time. Think of a robot that learns to play chess better the more it plays.